Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to start off a new week of a theme again. We had Security Week and we had Water Week, and so we're going to do Clothing Week, and we're going to start off with winter clothing. It's getting colder now. The nice thin shirts I used to wear during the summertime are not cutting it. I'm going to some of my nice thick cotton shirts like this Carhartt one I'm wearing now. I got several of these. I got several other ones that are cotton or wool shirts. So there's a good advantage to having a good shirt that when you're wearing helps protect you against the cold. One of the things also to consider on your winter clothing is it waterproof? Does it need to be waterproof, or does it just need to be resistant against the cold? So think about what your weather's coming up. Do you have the proper clothing to get you through the winter comfortably? All right. Now, another little word for you is has to deal with your friends, your family, your coworkers, neighbors, anyone that knows that you are prepping or might be prepping. They don't know for sure. One of the things you need to do is see about trying to convince them to take just that small step of getting a few extra items in their home, especially during the wintertime. And you use that argument and say, man, yeah, they're looking at a possible another supply chain glitch coming up here, or something going on with all the recalls going on different foods and stuff. I think I'm going to get some extra stuff. You might want to get some extra stuff too, and reach the topic that way with your friends or relatives or whoever. Get them to think about just adding another week's worth of food supply into their house. All right? And as always, stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. And you really want to get prepared.